I'm going to be talking about MACD and RSI. A lot of people use this when they're buying stocks or selling stocks. Um, what you don't want to do, a lot of times people get excited and everybody goes buy, buy, buy. But when it goes up this high, MACD right there, it's kind of high already there. Um, and then a lot of times when this actually goes down, the MACD and RSI, when it goes actually down and this stays a flat line, it repeats over and over again that when that happens, this is a pretty straight line. This is going down. It's going to still go up. Usually, when this goes down, the stock goes down with it. But when this is going down, like you see here, this is still straight. And a lot of times it just pops up again. Um, a lot of times when you want to buy a stock, you want to buy a negative information, not positive. When it's positive, it's too late. A lot of people do a lot of research, and the more research they do, they don't do very well. It doesn't work that way. I've read for years and months and listened to all these gurus and the billionaires, and every time I did something like that, it went the opposite. One time was Netflix. One of the billionaires said, selling it, it's not good. And I sold too. And it went 700% since I sold it. He's because you don't know what their motive is. Let's say they make a lot of money on one stock and they want to even it out, not pay capital gains on the other one. So they sell one as a loss and then the other one as profit. So it evens out to zero. But you don't know that. They might say it's not good company or whatever. And every time you listen to Guru, don't do that. A lot of them on the internet, especially, is just lucky until their luck runs out. So a lot of people get lucky, but eventually catches up. You want to buy a lot of times, like I said, a negative information, and look at the RSI and MACD. When it's below this, let's say below 40, right here below 40, you can see it's very low. Right there, very low. Right there, it's not perfect, but still, you're between 8 and 17. And here it's very low too. And again, and a lot of times the stocks just don't go up extremely fast or down. They create little pyramids. So it goes up. It's not a straight pyramid, but it's pretty uniform. So they create little pyramids, and this one starts here and ends here. That one starts here, ends here. So it's like big pyramids, and it's not like daily. It takes years, a couple years. So from this point here, it's 20, and that's 22. That's 2 years, and then here again, 22 October, and here's 25. So that's 3 years. So day trading, it's hard. Probably 80% of the people will eventually lose on day trading. I don't think there's a lot of huge money makers in day trading. I think a lot of it is a longer term, 2 to 5 years. You gotta wait because if it goes up like 50%, you want to sell it, and then the one that it's going down, you don't want to sell it. You just keep it because you think it's gonna go up. But no, leave it because a lot of times, um, like Tesla or Google or even Microsoft, it took years to go up. It was flat for like 15 years, Microsoft, and it started going up. So from like 2008 was like $17, and now I think it's probably 20 fold, but that wasn't overnight. That was like 16 years. So long term, I think is much better. And a lot of times when you hear bad information like AMD, you keep on reading for months and months and you don't invest because you're scared. That's negative information, and that's probably when you want to buy it. Uh, buy with the money that you don't want to, that you don't need. If you need the money right away, you probably take it out if it keeps on going down because you need that money. Invest the money that you don't really need, and leave it in there. AMD went from like $1.75 to I think over $130 now. So that's like 50 fold, but you got to keep it in there. So, yep, RSI and MACD. Look at those before you buy it. Um, right here was kind of going up right there, but didn't finish the triangle. The triangle is here, like $7, and yeah, 7.50. Now it's 21. This is uh, it's a ball three times, but it's the same for all stocks, the MACD and the RSI. So there we have it.